Ever notice how your grocery bill is climbing faster than your grandma on a bingo night, and how your coffee that used to cost $3 now costs $7, but comes in a cup so small that it looks like it was made for your kid's dollhouse? That, my friend, is silent inflation. It is sneaky, it is relentless, and it's robbing you blind while you're busy scrolling Instagram. Today on Hot Take Cold Truth, we are calling out this silent thief, and I'll show you how to fight back before your money becomes as useless as that gym membership that you swore you used back in January. Alright, let's break this down. Silent inflation isn't the kind of inflation that you hear about on the news, like when prices shoot up because oil costs are through the roof or avocado toast habit wrecks the economy. This is way sneakier, and companies aren't rising prices as much as they're shrinking the stuff that you're buying. They're cutting corners ways you don't even notice, and your wallet notices. For example, have you seen the cereal boxes lately? They're like half air. You open it, you pour it out, and it's basically just a sad layer of frosted flakes. And my favorite scam, hotel rooms that used to include free breakfast. Now you're paying $24 for 2 eggs and a side of judgment. And don't even get me started on subscription services. Remember when Netflix was $8? Now it's $20, and they're threatening to charge you extra for watching it with your mom. Silent inflation doesn't hit you like a punch in the face. It is actually just death by thousands tiny cuts. This isn't just about cereal or Netflix though. It's creeping into everything. Look at your paycheck. You might be getting a 3% rise a year, but guess what? Costs are quietly rising 5, 6%, 7% on the things that you actually spend your money on. And here's the math you didn't ask for. If inflation outpaces your wage growth by just 2% every year, your buying power gets cut in half every 35 years. So congrats, you're running a financial marathon on a treadmill. The worst part, that emergency fund, the one you're so proud of, yeah, 10K sitting in a savings account earning 1% interest is losing buying power every single day. And by the time you need it, it might feel more like 7K in today's money. Silent inflation is like having a slow leak in your tire. You don't notice it until your car is swerving off the road. Let's talk solutions. You can't stop inflation, but you can outsmart it. And here's how. Invest. Don't just save. That savings account, it is not going to cut it anymore. You need to put your money into assets that grow faster than inflation. Real estate, index funds, heck, even those NFTs your cousin keeps bragging about. Maybe not. Know your tax game. Inflation hurts your cash flow, but smart strategic tax move can soften the blow. So use strategies like cost segregation in real estate, maxing out the tax-deferred retirement accounts. Basically, don't let Uncle Sam and silent inflation tag team your wallet, and negotiate like a pro. Did you know that most subscription services will actually lower your price if you just ask? So call up your cable company, your phone provider, or even the gym. If they say no, cancel. It is amazing how fast they'll find a discount when they realize that you're serious. And invest in skills. The best hedge against inflation: make yourself more valuable. Learn a high demand skill, increase your earning potential, and make your income growth beat inflation growth. Think of it as your personal revenge on rising costs. Here is the deal. Silent inflation is not going anywhere, but you don't have to sit there and just let it drain your wallet dry. Fight back, be smarter, and remember, every dollar you keep is a dollar you can invest in your future. So next time you see a small bag of potato chips for the same price, take it as a reminder to play the long game, because silent inflation may be sneaky, but you should be one step ahead. This is Hot Take Cold Truth, and I'll see you on the next one, assuming YouTube doesn't charge you extra.